Welcome to this session on AI ML assisted testing, an emerging field that leverages artificial intelligence and machine learning to enhance the speed, efficiency, and accuracy of software testing. Let's begin with what AI ML assisted testing means. Unlike traditional automation, which relies on predefined scripts, AI enabled tools learn from data, user behavior, and test outcomes to predict risks, generate test cases, and even self heal scripts. Here are key use cases where AI/ML is transforming QA. 1. Test case generation. AI analyzes requirements, user stories, or past defects to suggest or auto-generate relevant test cases. 2. Test prioritization. ML models predict which areas of the application are most likely to break based on past defects and usage patterns. 3. Defect prediction. Algorithms assess code complexity and commit history to forecast where bugs are likely to occur. 4. Visual testing. AI compares UI screens pixel by pixel or via computer vision to detect layout issues or regressions. 5. Self-healing automation. AI automatically updates scripts when UI locators or flows change, reducing maintenance. 6. Anomaly detection. ML flags unexpected behaviors in performance data, logs, or system monitoring. Popular AI-assisted testing tools include Testum, Mebla, Functionize, Apple Tools, Test AI. These platforms combine AI with low-code or no-code interfaces, enabling testers to focus more on strategy and less on script writing. Benefits of AI/ML testing: faster test creation and execution, smarter regression selection, reduced test flakiness, increased automation coverage, early detection of risks and anomalies. However, AI is not a silver bullet. It needs quality data to learn from, continuous tuning and validation, human oversight to interpret results. Best practices: start with a small pilot using an AI-powered tool. Feed it real project data, test logs, and user flows. Evaluate improvements in coverage, speed, and defect detection. Gradually scale based on ROI and team readiness. To summarize, AI/ML assisted testing brings intelligence and adaptability to test automation. It supports smarter planning, faster execution, and better insights. Pair AI tools with human expertise to unlock the full value of modern QA. In our next and final session, we'll dive into CSTE exam strategy, how to prepare, practice, and pass with confidence.